Yo, what's up, boys? Before we get into this banger video today, I'd like to announce I have a Twitch drop coming up very soon. It's on the 5th of February to the 15th, and you'll be able to get it on my Twitch. If you'd like to see what the skin looks like, you can join my Discord. The link will be in the description. I will also be streaming as much as I possibly can to make sure that everybody is able to get it. But anyway, let's get back to today's video. Today I'm playing with snowmers and warrior, and the plan for this wipe was to build for excavator. We ended up getting absolutely loaded and managed to get a nice little raid defense. So sit back, relax, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Rigs, I got diving sight.
There's rigs.
You need food?
No, I do not.
Yeah, sounds like Vection, that. That's a car?
I have a car, what?
Bro, it's a shit car. Drive it.
What's he? What? But I want what's he doing? Spawn beach does not provide. And it feels like this train track is making us go incredibly slow.
You full HP?
I'm 48 HP, but it's fine.
Oh, I don't have another bag.
Take off.
Is he not going to be keen on us, bro?
Okay. Back anything, this guy is.
To be honest, just the knob. Fucking hell. Oh, turret on. Whoa, turret. Oh, it's off. Is it got gun in?
There might be motion sensors, but...
Oh, no, they're not.
They got
What? Ooh, it's looking like a couple of spears. 3 spears each, yeah? Oh, wait, can you not get it because of the fucking fence? Oh, my God.
No, you can spear through, I think, no? I think you can spear through.
Does anything go through? Yeah, because that goes through. If you park it right, here, you mean? It's 100 arrows, 50 each. That's combo full charges now.
That's pretty fast, bro.
I have just made that up as well, so I don't really know.
There's no point. Hit the gun.
That's, bro, I was doing bang on 1.5 hours actually. That was my fastest one yet.
Yeah, but you started late. Okay.
That's another echo. Excav, they're clearing Excav. Watch out, big.
Whatever.
Yeah, talk about wood piles.
You hear that?
No?
Don't hear the AK. There's two AKs, I hear it.
Yeah. Just
Oh, I see the fire, bro! Oh my god! Oh my god. I'm right behind an AK, guys.
I can shoot it. He can't wall there. He can't wall. I'm gonna shoot.
Go.
No?
Sure, 3, 2, 1. Go. Hit him.
Twice?
Twice as well.
No.
Yeah. Fuck it
Is
up.
he downed?
No.
No, he's not.
Him? Twice? Twice more? Twice more.
Oh, this is so bad. This.
Again? What? I did it! I'm dead.
Hit the AK far twice.
I'm down in front of you. Watch your right, Ferb. Naked, loot in my body. Naked, loot my python, Ferb. Watch out, close right on you. Just go for AK.
You killed him. The other AK?
Either go for those AKs or for cargo. Yes.
I mean, cargo is better than the AKs, probably.
Okay. I'm sprinting for it.
Then after that, we're doing some base stuff.
Yeah.
I actually
Oh,
want
it's
to play.
spawning in more crates.
If he swings that again, I can kill him.
Where was he peeking?
Like far back left side captain.
Let's see one front top right. Headshot him. Please headshot.
Wait, I'm going on top of this crane. I'm gonna die.
You good?
No, he's at the back, just hold him.
Dead?
Man, he didn't render in and you were just coming over at bare speed. I'm like, what is this guy doing? Just fucking...
I don't know where Snowy died, do you?
Nah, but like, it's gonna be somewhere around there.
Where'd you die, Snowy? You can get on cargo. On cargo, sorry.
Maybe if you're on cargo, just watch my
No,
body.
where'd
It's like
you die?
next to...
Man, I see a few young lads have put me, on the back. I'm the old geezer, you know what I mean?
I don't know what's happening. I know, my brain's not working right now.
Charging in while I just sit back with pad and assess what's going on.
Nah, my brain's not working. I thought, like, I don't know.
Need it.
No. Need the backpack, take the backpack. I don't know.
We got money with
drop me a
260
kid.
there. What happened to your... Oh, you've got it. Ferb's got it, yeah. I need cloth. You know what cloth? I got no bandies. Thank you. Just bro. I can get it all. I ain't got anything. Why are you making me spin it up?
Since when did you give it like this type of ammo?
Yeah, they're nuts now, bro.
Bradley needs to get buffed.
Oh my god, I thought I just hit.
I'll take out the low good. I'll park, give me the keys, I'll park your car.
You need to close the door, Waz.
Yeah, fucking hell.
Now that we'd got ourselves some loot, we farmed it for base a little bit to make it a bit more defendable. Get one. You need 60, I think.
Yeah, 60.
It's in now.
I said no. Yo, where's that? That's a big fight.
What the fuck's got outside?
Let's go. Fuck it. I'm going.
We got night vision in boxes.
Only two. You boys go. I'll finish smoking this up.
Is it the good thing?
Yes, maybe you can knock it on there.
Yeah.
MP5 was close.
I like that at the base. Maybe he died or something. Or maybe someone's in the bushes. No. Oh. I'm dead.
One
Like,
AK?
dude, what? It's daytime.
Yeah, man.
It's daytime.
Which guy was skiing me?
On the right, he backed off. I got your time. I got.
There's two in those
drop
walls.
me a
There are two in
vent,
those
yo.
walls. I
You
don't
want
have
vent
net.
for
No. There's two in those walls. It's just so far.
Can I push up to the base or no?
Nah, in the walls on the right, there's two. Guys, if you go wide right.
Yeah. Dead.
There's one more there.
Yeah. Launcher further back. Just go to the.
One on roof. Dead roof.
Bro, why did it burst?
Comms.
He's rising him.
Dead.
Another one further.
Dead.
Launch left side. You kill one. One more thing. I need it, okay?
Drop one off the floor. There's silence.
He's on the tree. The guy's trying to leave one. He's one. I need meds and shit. Bring this up.
They got Ridley. Behind the base door was. Okay.
I'm 10 HP now. This is a bad spot.
He's in a burst. I'm running.
No.
I didn't see, bro.
Yeah, I hadn't seen it.
I can maybe silence him. Let me see. It's far though. Whereabouts were you? I see the backpack, I think. Next to the TC or no?
Close, decently close to the TC, yeah.
Just
A
run
little
back.
more to the left of it, I went to the water.
I killed a guy down there.
Drop one back in the bush and pick that one up. I'm dropping it
Yeah.
back in the bush.
Yeah. No, drop it in my line of sight. Drop it in my line of sight. I can't see the one in the bush.
I'll pick it up.
Headshot with L9. Try another one with L9.
You still look at me?
Wait, they can't.
I'm gonna drop all my loot here and then swim for another one. Then swim.
The attack he might see me then. Killed the passenger, I think.
To give me I'm 1 HP to the third. I downed that full cut. I don't know. Yeah, I killed him.
Wait, so you're not dead? I headshot that guy, he's dead.
I killed MP.
So there, what are you doing?
Hey!
You've got a naked.
You know the turrets are there, why are you in a...
Pinging you, Ferb.
Where?
You're 50-ish. That was in that direction. He's gonna. I just ran back like inventor flags, super raw bears, snipers, so on.
I can't really leave this thing.
I'm just in the backpack right now.
We got it all. I'll show you what they have, okay? You can tell me. You have the 20 diesel, right, Ferb?
20 diesel? Yeah.
You don't have it?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Yeah, there, we got so good at that. Okay?
Drop me one.
Wait, what? That backpack of comps is disgusting.
Yeah.
After killing that team for raid loot and gaining 20 diesel, we went to an excavator and farmed up a little bit of wood so that we could fully build the base and see if we'd get any PvP. While I was deeper in the wood, the boys started getting jumped by a deep group that lived the other side of excavator to us. Where's the
They're trying to bolt 300 on a hill. You gotta try wrap him and get rid of him. I can't really bolt him. I'm on a spinning platform. It's pretty fucking heads.
Let's see it.
Yeah, but I don't know where the other one or two is. Maybe even more. Some pushed down for Snowy's body. Yeah, they came straight over that ridge. They came straight over that ridge when we fought last time. I see 3 of them on the hill. I'm bolting at them. I just can't hit anything because I'm on spinning thing.
Headshot one.
Nice.
Cheers
for drinking in my ear, Snowy. Appreciate that. I really want to hear that.
I thought that was in game. Right? Is that him?
It's at me. He's on Snowy's body, I guess, by the extract.
Okay, yes.
He's running under now. He's under excav. Like,
And I'm headshotted from... There's at least
headshot
3
the
there.
guy under the belt. Headshot the guy under the belt. We're L9. You can maybe
I'm
shoot
trying
Snowy.
to... I'm like a chains now. I'm flagging the chains.
There's a guy in trains, eh?
One full dead.
Nice.
Oh, I'm headshot. No, dude. I'm low. I'm like out of my...
Still one dead.
Another dead. Full one far.
Nice.
Pushing train.
Still one with dead.
Nice.
Nice.
Where's more? Where's more?
Like, one more on me.
DC, Eddie. I lost my play, boys.
I saw one more.
Where?
Oh,
Where?
just a naked.
Can we get the bodies up? I got no meds, no bullets, and I'm getting banged in the head on constant by that. Hit him?
I looted
Yeah, I
two
mean,
AKs for other bodies.
do I grab my extract and we leave him? AK on my extract, Ferb. AK on my extract, other side. Another one here. Yes, instant. Two of them, two AKs. There's so many of these guys. They're instant now.
I headshot one.
I need to heal. They're instant online holding him.
One
I'll go hide the AKs.
I don't see anything.
Can we fight these guys together, please?
Yeah,
I'm getting the instant, but he's gonna one-tap me. He's gonna. I've got no meds. I can fight whenever. Just, I'm with you, bro. But they have better head glitches than me. One under the train's backing off. Man, it's gonna win me. I can't.
One full dead.
Nice. Don't see them all.
The other guy's behind the
I'm
truck.
holding you left. Okay. I can hold him feet. I'm holding left, bro. I'm on his left.
Headshot him in his jump.
Nice.
Slammed him.
You're unreal. You're unreal. I'm just trying to hold and push him, bro. I'm getting bolted in the back now. Bro, this is mad. Just try to get out, bro. I'll try to keep him off you. Another one keying up.
I can't loot all of this. I'm literally full him. One of you guys need to come and loot this.
Oh my. I can't do anything, bro. Like, I've got 20 bullets numbers. I can't move. There's fucking 2 or 3 under me. Literally. Like, just go with what you can. I don't know. There is no loot in this for me.
I'm gonna have to deep and come back.
I'm climbing excavator.
Yeah, of course. What?
Oh! He's fucking pushed up close.
Lost him. What? Why has he gone that route? He's gone all the way. He's under snow. He went all the way under. Like, I could have killed that kid.
Yeah, understand. Ferb, look towards me.
I'm holding the side. I got no meds. Right, I got to move now.
I don't see no one.
I got the stats backing up.
He's gonna be like in where the diesel is, no? You good, Wes?
Yep. Look at me. I'm not gonna be good. What's up?
I see that guy on the thingy. He's keying.
Under me.
He's MP5 on your right.
I'm gonna die. There's two there.
No, I'm dead. Fuck.
I got 2
One
meds.
dead.
Nice. I can shoot one in sight, Ferb, don't I? We're dead, Ferb. There's another one. Keying you. Ferb, walled me on your side. He's walled both our sides.
Where is he? I see him.
I don't know. In his funnel.
Dead, I think. Dead.
Nice. I'm gonna. No, I don't know where he is. Someone's shooting
I
at me.
don't see that guy.
I see him. Half foot left side. Once, twice, 3. He walled back. He ran back.
Hey, wait, hold on.
Someone on me. Okay, kill me. Dead, double them. Another one came back. I'm dead. I must have killed fucking 100. I'm down. Another one on me. Someone.
I'm looting this kit and I'm running.
Yeah.
We just gotta get their kits off them. This team hasn't got many kits.
No, they all have.
We have night vision on base.
Yep. That were nuts. Fuck me. I only went to X with 80 bullets, bro. I've done 6 at least.
We've not got like loads of mats, to be honest. But...
I'll round up all the mats and see what exactly I can build.
I'm collecting the metal.
I got 2 rails on me.
In the back right box, there's wood. I'm putting metal in there.
Yep.
Are you guys still gonna come back?
I'm gonna save a little bit for doors, sorry.
Yeah. Can we just build now then?
Yeah. As we didn't actually manage to get many materials from Excavator to build the base, I went out to farm.
That's far. Yeah, 100. It depends on. Is 100.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you done good.
Third for me, it's after. It's all good.
It's like a bind, bro. It's not that much.
Follow me everywhere. He's in the base.
Yep. Dogs for sure.
Iron's MP as well, trying that. Go on. No attachments.
It was also time for me to set up electric furnaces and sort out some locker kits. Nah, it's part of a pack. You need to make it.
I want high core or what?
Yeah, I see him. He's in the wrong cat. I'll stop him. Time up. Yeah, I'm just hit him once. Oh.
You said something where bikes in.
Yeah, by accident, sorry. Oh, you should have literally so out of it. I've just literally been chilling. Airdrop's about to touch down.
He says multiple, it's gonna be 2. He says multiple, it's gonna be 2. On my life, it's gonna be 2. And before we get there, he's gonna be dead.
3 of them, 3 of them.
One through that.
I know.
One
I'm on top of the hill, bro. Nice. Is there one still in the walls? Did you kill MP5?
I killed MP. There's one on the left of that wall. He's dead.
Well. I'll just watch over you. In fact, you watch over me and I'll just scoop the bodies up then. And show you Thanos that. On the right, far right. Okay. 1 HP, keep that. I'm holding on him. No, I haven't fucking looted out. Shut up. Yeah, Ferb, I just gotta go nuclear on this kid.
Yeah, just keep that, man.
Is he shooting me? No, I can't.
This guy's not peeking me, bro.
I might have downed my guy or something.
Oh, this guy's
He's holding
actually a
me,
bitch, I'm keying him.
Yeah.
He's dead.
Nice.
Guy up on your left, Waz, up on your left, has he?
Yeah,
one more. Naked doing body.
Yeah, thank you. Good comp. I think this guy's dead, Ferb.
This guy's backpacking into it.
Sorry, Sonia, shut the fuck up, stay.
That's fine.
I should just focus right
I
there.
wouldn't say that to me in real life. Just know that.
Nah, just banging your shit for fun. Don't put please put first mask on.
Yeah, sure. Can you take this
I'm gonna
backpack?
bang you in your shit.
No.
I need
Can't tell
meds.
that. What, do you want me to take this backpack? Well, I got a full backpack, what?
Yeah, me too.
Oh, I guess what we will then.
Like, ferb, you have space?
Yeah, come in, come on.
I'm down.
Right.
I have no
I've got
meds.
walls, I've got no walls. What's up? My backpack.
One dead, Keeney.
Nice.
The guy's hit one somewhere.
Alright, I got time. Where is it? I'll see him on the other side, yeah, on the other side. Give me a sec, I'll heal up and I'll fucking kill him. Alright, I got time. Where is it? I'll see him on the other side, yeah, on the other side. Give me a sec, I'll heal up and I'll fucking kill him. He's what's up? Once. Dead.
More for me. At least 2.
Yeah, I see him. Yeah. He killed that one.
One has he.
Has he, yeah.
I'm
Nick's
dead.
dead. Has dead. Well done. I'm going for the one over the other side of the road. Oh shit.
Yeah, in a period one. Can one of you guys loot this guy? Snowy? Snowy dead? Oh.
Yeah. Okay, then let's go, I guess.
Wait, that's full in the fucking...
Yeah.
Yeah, let's run. Go left. Go left.
Drop me like 2 meds out on us.
I dropped 2.
I'm good.
Hit him twice.
Hit him twice. You shoot him down. Come here, Snow. 2 meds there.
Yeah.
You got 2
Thank
more.
you.
But as soon as you said, we were on our way.
Takes a while.
I waited.
No, you didn't. As the boys had now logged off because it was getting late, I decided to go around and do some extra stuff so that we wouldn't be poor the next day and would be able to just roam the entire day. Oh, that's good. I need a place to be for. After getting some extra loot and setting up some turrets, I flew to the snow to go and do a raid to get us some low grade and some crude, as it was the only thing we were poor on. Where's the front door? In, around, down. Move them. I need to move the mini. I don't get why that's like the bits that sheet metal is sheet metal. Oh baby.
Yeah, it's exactly what you needed.
No, bro, I clicked the wrong fucking bind.
Made it. Get
Hey?
raided.
Yeah.
We get
Like-
raided.
Red. Or do you want to defend alone? Like,
Before we just find out, he won't fucking tell us what he got.
I don't, no, yeah, we're getting raided. I don't know how many it is.
We've just summoned the Avengers, so get ready.
There's hella. Actual hella.
Yeah.
yeah, I'm locked in.
Good one. They're coring it.
Roof.
Yeah, you can spawn roof, but they're like, I don't know what they have.
Okay.
Go on, more. I killed one more. There's one in core.
They're on TC side, yeah.
Okay, I spawned back inside.
Okay. The turret, I opened the door, the turret's point working. Down into...
I think I can go all the way down and open the door and HV. You know the armored door?
That's what I did, it was on 200 HP though.
Go on.
I'm in.
Nah, bro, it's hard to shoot into that overfire.
Just 1 second, let me have my DOS now, let me unmute you. Right, oh, here we go, completely, bro. I've got
I killed two in the ankle biter.
Nice.
Oh my god, no, I'm dead. I jumped down, there's like...
Rocket, maybe, no,
Nice,
okay.
I'm in core. Kill one more, core. Kill one more.
Nice. I'm getting my HP.
Killed all, I think I killed all.
I can drop down with seal mats.
Yeah, we need a door. One more. Dead.
Single or double?
Double.
Yep, give me a sec.
Kill one more.
He's in bottom. What?
One more. Full heavy. You can kill both.
Nice, I'm on 30 seconds, bro.
Go on more. Go on more.
Just hold for 20, bro.
There's no door for him.
Can you wall it off?
I ran out of bullets. Give me a sec.
I'm in bottom beds.
I'm making it.
Do you mean to get seal mats, Ferb?
That died
Bro.
so many times in that raid. That was actual AIDS.
No, because we should have won it and I just literally rocketed myself for what?
I've seen that, bro. I was like, oh my god, what is he doing?
The guy's body, he's like half hanging down. He frags. See frags anywhere? I got frags. Rockets on his body. Maybe take those rockets to the
Where's
roof.
the
I'll take them up. I can drop you wood for hammer if you need. Right. Quick repair! Right, there's the vid sorted.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep the smart alarm, bro. Just keep grabbing it. Smart alarm's so good, bro. My phone just starts getting belled. I'm just straight on, like.
In it, and we're all like, bro, we just need to do this more often.
I'm gonna try and make some more bangs.
Oh shit! Oh, it's fucking snowy.
Yeah.
Oof, I hope it's buzzer.
It's a tag team as well.
The tag team, what, they're bringing the boys in?
Eh?
Don't worry.
I don't even think we fought this team though. I don't know, but KCM. Wait, Waz, you know when I dropped in the core, bro, they're just all like looking up, holding you, bro, and I'm just shooting them all from the back, like.
Bro, that was so good.
Fucked here, fucked here, fucked here.
Give me some roof, give me some complete roof.
I'm just gonna make barrels and like get all the loot back.
Yep.
Fuck, man. Have you seen the stone base with stone compound popped up?
No?
No.
Just gone for this.
We've not
Bro, a
played
good
this
call
yet.
on the ankle biters.
Yeah, I don't know. You just gotta get it off.
Yeah.
If they take it,
And
break,
it-
then take it off,
Yep.
and then they can't sell.
Yeah, I'm dead now. My AK maybe fell.
I mean, we
I see you,
probably
buddy.
lost AKs
Yeah.
there, but
Who gives a fuck? We got content.
yeah.
We lost AKs.
There's no way, to be honest. Really?
These guys are all running around naked. They don't have a single kit.
I don't know then.
I died to the Tommy, like, other side. Okay, my
I
AK's
just saw
still
the
here.
raid base.
But do you see, like, all the base around us? Like, stone compound base.